these tiny tans from McDonald's. So I'm unboxing them. You can get RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, and V. I kind of want to get Suga. So hopefully I get Suga. I'll probably get J-Hope. So, I don't know why I picked J-Hope, but I feel like we're going to get J-Hope. Guys, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is right now. Unboxing right now. What's this character? Oh, what is this? Let's see. I got Jimin. These are pretty good quality. Yeah, it's pretty good quality. So, I mean, it wasn't the one that I was hoping for, but it's something. I like it. So, bye.